Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing the mod on the S2000 that I've been dying to do. We got a wing for the S2000 and I'm so excited for not only the performance of this, but obviously the looks. So the next step after this will be to make the splitter to even out the downforce. So let's get started. Here it is. It's the same size as me. I'm very excited. Okay, we'll get to work now. Okay, so we've taped up where we want the mounts to go for the wing and set it all up. We're using the little rubber gasket things as the template to drill the holes. It's slightly a bit forward compared to where it would be on the stock trunk, just because there's such a big drop off on this style trunk. So yeah, all right, we're about to drill. Let's go.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only a day. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. No, we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this.
Since we have the rear wing, we're going to make the S2000 a front splitter to try and balance things out. We're kind of under tight restrictions for what we can do with the splitter, just for Grid Life's Club TR rules. So we're building it entirely to that. We're perfectly following the shape of the S2000 bumper and going out 3 inches from there for the length of the splitter. So we traced it out on the bumper, and now we took that stencil and put it on the ABS, and we're gonna go cut that out. So I'll show you that real quick. So here is our trace out of the bumper and where it would sit, how far off. So this is where the bumper will be, and that's how far out it's gonna poke. So featuring the oil leak. Yay. Okay, so then we stuck that on the ABS and traced it out, and now we're gonna go ahead and cut. Thankfully this one wasn't as difficult as the BMW or the mini bumper, so hopefully that'll go smooth. And then we got to figure out where we're going to mount it to hold all the weight, because ideally I don't want splitter rods, especially since it'll be a pretty small splitter as far as how far out it's coming. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so since we have the splitter all cut out, we're now making the mounts for it. Dad's welding it up, so hopefully it'll be super solid and we won't ever have any issues with it. So fingers crossed I just don't, you know, dip off track or something and yank it off, because I think he would kill me. But it's fine, it's all fine. So hopefully soon we will have the front splitter to go with the wing, and the cars will hopefully be pretty balanced. Unfortunately, the splitter can't be huge just because we're following Grid Life's rules, so it might be a little bit front end pushy, but we'll have to see what happens because it's not the largest wing, so maybe it'll all be okay in the end. We shall see. Okay, so we ended up being on like a major crunch time to get this splitter all wrapped up, finished, mounted, everything, because I was driving the next morning by the time everything got wrapped up with the brackets and, you know, finishing off the splitter. So I apologize, I didn't get to post mounting it, but once we made that whole bracket, it literally just bolted up to like the front crash beam. Super simple, very similar to how all the ones are. So I figured I would show you it on the car because I literally drove the next morning after, so I apologize for not getting that video, but yeah, let me show you the car real quick and how it all looks. honestly, I think with the wing, it looks super aggressive, and then the hood vents, I really think that this is just like, aesthetically, I love it. And yeah, I can't wait to talk about how it feels on track with you guys, and I'm super excited to test it out. So the S2000 officially has Aero, and I'm stoked about it. I think it looks amazing, and I can't wait to try it out and get some more high-speed cornering confidence with the S2000 thanks to the Aero. So I will catch you guys very soon, probably at the track. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.